There's something deeply unsettling about feeling confused in a relationship, not because something obvious is wrong, but because you feel something is off, and you can't explain it. You replay conversations in your head. You question your reactions. You wonder if maybe you're just overthinking. But what if you're not? What if the confusion you feel is not accidental? What if it's being created? Because one of the most dangerous things about emotional manipulation is this. It doesn't feel like control. It feels like doubt. And today, you're going to see the hidden signs most people miss, so you can finally understand what's been happening to you. 1. Confusion is the first weapon. Emotional manipulation doesn't start with control. It starts with confusion. Small moments, subtle shifts. They say things like, "You're overthinking." "That's not what I meant. You're too sensitive." At first, you brush it off, but over time, something changes. You stop trusting your own reactions. You pause before speaking. You second-guess your feelings. And without realizing it, you begin to rely on them to define what's real. 2. Gaslighting, reality distortion. Gaslighting is not always dramatic. Sometimes it's quiet. You remember something clearly, but they deny it. You feel hurt, but they say you're exaggerating. And slowly, your certainty fades. You begin asking, "Did I misunderstand? Am I remembering wrong?" This is not miscommunication. This is control over your reality. 3. Emotional hot and cold cycle. They are not always bad, and that's what makes it confusing. One moment, they are kind, attentive, loving. The next moment, distant, cold, unavailable. This creates a powerful emotional loop. You don't stay because it's good, you stay because it sometimes feels good, and your mind starts chasing that version of them. 4. Your needs start disappearing. At some point, you stop expressing yourself, not because you don't have needs, but because every time you do, something happens. They dismiss it. They twist it. They make you feel guilty. So you adjust. You stay quiet. You avoid conflict, and slowly, you lose your voice. 5. Self-doubt becomes your default. This is where manipulation becomes internal. You begin to think, maybe I'm the problem. You apologize more. You explain yourself more. You shrink yourself more. And the most dangerous part? It feels normal. 6. Trauma bonding. Why you stay? You don't stay because you're weak. You stay because of emotional conditioning. The mix of pain, reward, hope creates a bond that feels like love, but it's not love. It's attachment built on instability. 7. The moment you start waking up, there comes a moment, a quiet realization. I don't feel like myself anymore. You feel drained, disconnected, confused about who you are. And that question appears, why am I like this now? That question is the beginning of clarity. 8. Reclaiming yourself. You are not broken. You adapted. But now you can choose differently. You can trust your feelings again, set boundaries, walk away from confusion. Because real love does not make you doubt yourself. It brings clarity. And the moment you choose clarity is the moment you take your power back.